Forget the sensible Skoda image. The Fabia 130 is officially the fastest series production Fabia ever made, and it's here to prove that warm hatches can be just as fun as the hot ones. To celebrate 130 years of Skoda, they've taken the 1.5 TSI engine and cranked it up to 177 horsepower and 250 Newton-meters of torque. It'll hit 0 to 100 km/h in just 7.4 seconds, with a top speed of 228 km/h. It's punchy, linear, and surprisingly agile. It's not just a bigger engine. You get a 7-speed DSG gearbox that's been retuned for snappier shifts and a sports chassis that sits 15 mm lower than the standard car. It rides on massive 18-inch Libra wheels and features red brake calipers that peek through, letting everyone know this isn't your average grocery getter. On the outside, it's all about the black package. Gloss black splitters, a chunky rear spoiler, and dual exhaust tips give it a rally-inspired look. Inside, you're hugged by integrated sports seats and surrounded by stainless steel pedals. It's premium, sporty, but still keeps that massive 380-liter boot for practicality. Is it a full-blown VRS? Not quite. But for around $30,000, you get a limited edition piece of history that's easy to live with on Monday and a blast on a B road on Sunday. It's the perfect balance of heritage and horsepower. The Skoda Fabia 130. Proof that big thrills come in small Czech-engineered packages.